Hello everyone, this is the AERONAUTS Avionics group project called SLAS, which stands for Smart Landing Assistance System. So before we get started, let me show you the components that we're using for our project. So first of all, our main board, which is the Sony S Presence. It serves as our data logger. It has an SD card attached to it so we can access the data. And it also has the main board and the extension board. So next, we have another board as a backup, which is the Arduino Uno. And this is mainly used for the servo, which is under the wing here. And this servo controls the flaps for the auto braking system, which I'll show later. And the main sensor for this project is the ultrasonic sensor, which detects the distance between an object. So this one will be placing on top of, in front of the nose, and later I'll show more. And our display here, LCD module, which displays the current altitude and some messages that pilots can read. And last two are the LED, RGB LED, and the buzzer, active buzzer. So these two components are used as a backup to indicate the pilots when certain readings occur. So that's okay. So now I'll explain about the model a bit. So this one I took from a rubbish, almost getting thrown, and the servo is under the box wing here, and I made an impromptu flap. So it will basically pull down the flaps for the air brake system, and I think that's basically it. And by the way, our video is not sponsored by Cytron, so Cytron, if you see this, please sponsor us. Hello guys, now that we've booted the system, I'm gonna explain the main modes for this system. There are three and they'll be indicated by the LED. So we have the green LED, yellow LED, and the red LED, which will change as you can see now, it's changing. So now I'm gonna fix this, showing it's green. So green basically means the descent is okay, so it's safe to land. And as it goes down, there's a reading actually there. It shows the altitude, and as it goes down, it reaches the yellow phase, which is land alert, which indicates that it's close to land and just prepare for the impact. And as you can see, you can hear and see here the color is yellow now. You can't see pretty well because it's in RGB lights, meaning the green and red is simultaneously on, but it's actually yellow, and the buzzer is beeping very slowly just to alert the pilots. And then when suddenly an object comes up, it shows red and the flaps are retracted again, meaning the air brake system is no longer online, and so which allows the plane to go back up again. And the beeping also is very annoying, which makes the pilot more aware of the obstacle. Okay, now we're going to show how we will get back the data. So this is the SD card that we took from the S Presence, and we put in a card reader and just plug it in the laptop. Oh, sorry. So now we'll open the SD card memory, and I've saved it in the Microsoft Excel. So we'll just click it, and we'll open the data. So I'll enlarge it. So here. So the first column is for the timestamp, the altitude, and the status, which the three ones I mentioned earlier: descent, go around, and alert. So it's been taking the data since the start. So every time I press reset, it starts from 0 again, as you can see. And yeah, that's basically it.
Bye, have a great time.